and welcome to this tutorial where you will learn how to register for your own TEMOS account so that you are able to start on your application process. Start by using the link on our website or visit start.temosaccreditation.com. You should now see this registration questionnaire. By using the drop-down menu, choose the applicable program for you. Fill in the rest of your personal data and accept the privacy policies so that you can click on Get Account to receive your registration data. After completing the registration, you will see the following message on your browser. At the same time, you will receive an email confirming that you registered successfully. For reasons of data protection, you are required to confirm your registration. Therefore, please check your email account. Now, confirm your registration by clicking on the confirmation link. You have 48 hours to do so. After that, the link expires and you need to restart the registration process. If you have not received the above email, check the junk mail folder spam of your email system. Now, your account has been activated successfully. After you have confirmed your registration, you will receive another email with your login details to access your account. As you will need your password in a few moments, copy it before you now open the link. Type in your chart code and insert your password that you just copied from your email. After this, confirm the login. And that's how to get into your new account. You can already see the TEMOS information chart tick as a mandatory form in there. The completed tick is essential to receive your individual quotation. Information on how to fill out documents like the tick, as well as how to get around in your account in general, are available as separate tutorials. If you have any questions or problems have occurred during these first steps, do not hesitate to contact us.